Fiber-reinforced polymer composites have been widely used to repair, retrofit, reinforce damaged, degraded concrete structures. However, the performance of FRP systems exposed to fire is a serious concern. The objective of the study, I have read, is to understand and develop a new fire-resistant technology with nanoclay reinforced into-machined coating. Reinforced concrete beams were prepared, damaged and repaired by FRP with the new coating. The repaired reinforced concrete beams were subject to fire hazard again and re-evaluated for its residual structural capacity. The effectiveness of the developed new coating for fire resistance was evaluated based on the test results.